Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start with English chapter 14, a lesson for all. Introduction. This is a play about how careless we people are about the environment. Because our irresponsible attitude, the animals are also suffering, and like a boomerang, it comes back as a problem of pollution and unclean surrounding which can affect our health. So it is a short play which are awareing the people how to take care of the environment, because in this act the author is telling us that how irresponsible we are by keeping our surrounding unclean and which affects the animal like a boomerang. What do you mean by boomerang? Boomerang is an app we can use in a mobile, like again if you are taking a pic, again same thing which coming. So that is like a boomerang. So like a world is a circle, whatever we are doing with others, same it comes back on us. So like a problem, pollution and unclean surrounding which can affect our health. So whatever we are doing for animals of our surrounding, that will automatically affect us. Explanation. Characters, humans, animals. So let us see. A city street early in the morning. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartoons, tin, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls, bags and other garbage. So in the morning a street was all littered with papers, waste paper balls, bags, garbage, old tires, glasses and everything. Littered means a city was totally, what we can say, गंदा. पूरा सिटी कैसा था? बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा. और सब जगह क्या पड़ा हुआ था? कचरा. Mr. Desai, why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock. So Mr. Desai is waiting for his newspaper, and every day they are delivering the newspaper before time. Now it is 9 o'clock and yet the paper boy has not arrived. Almost time to leave for the office. Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copy. So as he want to leave for the office, he went to Patel's house to ask them whether they had received the newspaper or not. Who went? Mr. Desai went. Where he went? He went to Patel's house to know whether they have received the newspaper or not. Mrs. Desai. No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the paper as yet. So what Mrs. Desai is telling, that newspaper boy hasn't came yet. Nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea. So what he is telling, Mr. Patel is telling, Mrs. Patel is telling that our milkman has also not came yet, and Mr. Patel is grumpy. Grumpy means very much tempered, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में है, and he is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Mr. Desai, very strange, and look the state the street is in. It is simply shocking. So what Mr. Desai is telling to Mrs. Patel, that very strange that yet not your milkman came nor the newspaper boy came. And look at the street how it is. It's very much shocking. Why it was so much shocking? Because the street was always clean, but today the street was almost littered. Mrs. Patel, my words, what's this? Where did all this litters and garbage come from? So as Mrs. Patel saw the street, it was totally littered. So what he said, yes, what all this litters came from, what all this garbage came from. Mr. Desai, I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare there. So what Mr. Desai is telling, that yesterday night I came very much late from the office, and at that time the street was very much bare. Bare means it was very much clean. Nothing was there on the street. How did all this rubbish gather over here overnight? So he was telling that I don't know, because I came yesterday very much late from office, and at that time the street was very much clean. But I don't know how all this rubbish came overnight over here. Madhu, oh ouch, my foot, it hurts. So suddenly when Madhu was coming from somewhere, so it get hurts in his knees. Mrs. Joshi, oh dear, Madhu, are you alright? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. So, as Madhu got hurt, Mrs. Joshi started getting very much panic. वो क्या हो गया? Panic means घबरा गए और वो पूछने लगे मधु से, मधु, are you alright? Your foot is bleeding. Bleeding means blood was coming. खून बहुत आ रहा था. Somebody help. So he started shouting, कि please somebody help us, because Madhu was bleeding in his foot. Mrs. Patel, Nidhi, run and fetch doctor. Mrs. Sawant requests her to come quickly. So Mrs. Patel told Nidhi to go and call Dr. Mrs. Sawant, because he requested Mrs. Nidhi. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. So he was telling to Nidhi that your sister has got a cut. Go and call Mrs. Dr. Sawant. Mr. Desai, I'll get some ice at once. So Mrs. Desai went to his home and brought some ice to put on the injured part. Mrs. Joshi, my poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? So Mrs. Joshi was telling to everyone that to my poor child, it hurts a lot. So I don't know from where these broken glasses came here. Mrs. Patel, look around. It's not just broken glass, but Mrs. Joshi, dear me, what nonsense this is. Unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish come from? So, what is this Mrs. Patel is telling? That you don't see only the glass, see the whole street. Then what Mrs. Joshi is telling? Dear me, what nonsense is this? Unbelievable. Where has all this rubbish came from? So, ye kya? What is this nonsense? Where all this rubbish and this garbage came on the street within a night? Dr. Sawant, let me see the wound. Then Dr. Sawant came and she wanted to see the wound, injured part. Wound means injured part. Mr. Desai, here's some ice to stop the bleeding. Then Mr. Desai went his home and brought some ice to put on that injured part, so it could stop the bleeding. Dr. Sawant, what presence of mind. Good. There now it has stopped bleeding. Then Dr. Sawant tells to Mr. Desai that very good, because ice is a very good thing which can stop bleeding. It's a deep cut. I'll dress the wound and she'll be fine. Because it was a glass, and because of that glass, it was a deep cut. Wound was very much deep, and then the doctor said that I will do the dressing and it will be fine. Mrs. Mrs. Joshi, thank you doctor, so kind of you to come at once. So what it is telling, Mrs. Patel is telling that I am very much thankful to you that we called you at once and you came on the spot. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the road? Now what Mrs. Patel is telling, that for this, all this litters and garbage, I will complain to the mayor that how all this rubbish and the litters came on the road overnight. Dr. Sawant, oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday and now just look. So now what Dr. Sawant is telling, literally it is a mystery. Means difficult to understand. Then how this garbage have came, because yesterday there was no garbage on the road, but now just look, everywhere there is garbage and litters. Mrs. Patel, the mayor must have seen. Look, the newspaper boy, he is limping. So now Mrs. Patel is saying that the mayor have not seen yet that all the roads are dirty. See, the newspaper boy is coming. Limping means he is slowly coming. Walking very much difficulty. Limping means walking with difficulty. And the milkman at last, why, where's your bicycle and why are you late? Then milkman also came. So Mrs. Patel is telling that where is your bicycle, why you are late? Milkman, the tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk cane. So what milkman is telling, that my bicycle tire has punctured and I have to come with this heavy milk cane from walking only. Because of this I got late. Newspaper boy, and I am tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot. And what newspaper boy is telling, and I tripped over an old tire. Tripped means my foot has turned, and because of that I am able to walk. It was quite dark early in this morning. I did not expect any old tires right in the middle of the road. So as it was very much dark in the morning, I was not knowing that all that old tires will be there on the middle of the road. Because of that I was not able to see and my foot got injured due to twisting and I am not able to walk. Mr. Desai, I see something must be done. So what Mr. Desai is telling, that I have seen that whole city is littered. So we have to do something. Bus driver, Mrs. Joshi, I am sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. So then bus driver came and he was telling to Mrs. Joshi that I am really sorry because all the roads are littered with glass and garbages, so today I will not able to drive the school bus. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle race course. So what the bus driver is telling, the whole city is littered with garbage and it is looking like an obstacle. Obstacle means, what do you mean by obstacle? Obstacle क्या होता है? And it's looking like an obstacle. Obstacle means बोलते हैं ना कठिनाई. Like a race course में जो कठिनाइयाँ होती है, that is called as obstacle. Mrs. Joshi, I know I am going to send for the mayor at once. He must see this. So now Mrs. Joshi, what she is telling, that I will give a notice to the mayor for all this thing and he have to see, look over it. our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. So what Mrs. Joshi is telling, that I will write an application to the mayor and he have to look over this, because all these litters are not at all safe for our children, because all these things are very much dangerous and all the things are broken which can harm our children. Hawker, no one is safe. Let's request the mayor to come and see for himself. Now what hawkers are telling, that not even the children but even elders are also not safe. We should go to the mayor and we should call the mayor and tell the mayor to see by himself only that from where all this garbage came from. Mr. Desai, I'll fetch him. That Mr. Desai was telling that I will fetch him. What do you mean by fetch? Fetch means पकड़ना. मैं जाकर mayor को पकड़ता. I will go and catch the mayor. Mayor, unbelievable, shocking. How do you expect people to walk through all this rubbish? Mayor, unbelievable. Mayor was too shocked by seeing the mayor was too shocked by seeing all this rubbish on the road. Why don't you all dispose to the garbage properly? Mrs. Patel, why we do? Mr. Mayor, we give our garbage to the garbage collector. So what Mayor was telling, that why do you all do not dispose the garbage properly? Then what Mrs. Patel was telling, that we give our garbage to the garbage collector. We don't throw all the garbage on the road. Mrs. Joshi, yes, we don't litter our streets like this. Then what Mrs. Joshi tells, that we don't keep our road all this dirty all the time. Mr. Desai, oh, we take it to the dumping ground near the river side, away from here. So what Mrs. Desai was telling, that we used to dump all our garbage near the river side. We don't throw on the street. The rain then wash it away. Mrs. Patel, all the winds blow it away. Mayor, then how did it come back into the town overnight? Then what, Mayor, if you all are throwing the garbage near the river bank or the wind is taking them away, then from where the garbage came from? Bus driver, that's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. So what bus driver was telling, that this is the only problem, that nobody knows that where this garbage came from. It will become a mystery. Mystery means ये क्या बन गया है, बहुत अचंभव वाली बात बन चुकी है, क्योंकि किसी को नहीं पता कि ये गार्बेज कहाँ से आया. It looks like someone has done purposely to spoil our town. So now what newspaper boy is telling, that I think so. So what newspaper boy is telling, that someone has done this purposely to spoil the town. Mrs. Joshi, and danger for our children. It is very much dangerous for our children. Mayor, we will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Then what Mayor tells, that I will not at all tolerate all this thing. Those who have done all this thing, I will not spare anyone. मैं जरा भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा. और जिसने ये कुछ किया है, I will not, मैं उसको छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Who has done this? Who is responsible for this mess? Animals, we are responsible. We have brought in all the litters. Then animals, he was asking to everyone that who has done all these litters on the street. Then animals came and they said that we are responsible and we have littered all the garbage on the street. we have spread the garbage all over the town. The animals said that we have done all this thing, we have littered all the garbage all over the town. Dear, yes, we confess we did so. That means they are accepting that they have done. Mayor, what? You? How dare you? Said that how dare you to do all these things. Mrs. Joshi, what right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Mrs. Joshi, what's right have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Then Mrs. Joshi was telling to the animal, are you all mad? That why you make our town unsafe? How we'll move around? Bear, we have only brought back to you what you belongs to you. So then what Bear was saying, that we have given you all that things only what you have given to us. Tell me, what right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. So now Deer is telling, what right you all are having? तुमको क्या हक है to dump all the garbage in the forest? Forest is our place. We used to live over there. It is not at all a dumping ground that you should dump all the garbage in the forest. Bird, our trees are drying and vanishing because of you. Where can we roost or build nest? Then birds were telling that because of your garbage, all the trees are dying, and where we will build our nest. Squirrel, and where can we live? Rabbit, are you worried about Madhu's being injured? Then Rabbit was telling, you are very much worried that Madhu got injured. He has got a wound of sharp broken glass. Don't our young ones get injured too? Because it is a human being, you are getting very much hurt. But even animals are too having their young ones. They too get injured by all these broken things. Dear, yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wound. Our young ones simply die. Then what Deer was telling, you all are having doctor to dress there and taking a medicine. But our young ones get simply die because we don't have any doctors to save them. Madhu Nidhi, oh no, how shocking, terrible. Tortoise, all the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dumped in water. Then Tortoise was telling that all the fishes which are there in the rivers and lakes, they are getting died because of your dumping, because you all are wasting, you all are throwing all the waste in the water. How we suffer because of the chemicals and poisons? How we will suffer? Because our waste is contained with lots of chemicals and poison. Because of this, all the fishes and water animals are dying. Bear, and so many animals who drink the polluted water falls ill and die. And if animals are drinking that polluted water, they are too becoming ill and they are too dying. Dr. Sawant, yes, it's unfortunately true. Then Dr. Sawant said that, yeah, ये सही बात है. It's very much true that whatever they are telling, they are very much telling truth. Peacock, so we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. So then we all have done a meeting from all the animals and we have decided whatever you all have given to us, we will give back to you. And because of that, we have littered all the garbage in the city. We don't need it. हम लोग को ये सब चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए. Anyway, we were not as cruel as you are. We have only returned the garbage. So what Bear was telling, that we have written only the garbage you have thrown. We have not written the poisonous and chemical things which we have given to us. We have not poured chemicals and poisons onto your settlements. Mia, I see your animals and birds you have point. You are right. Mr. Desai, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lakes. Mrs. Patel, but where can we dispose of it? Mayor, if you all agree to sort out the litters, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. So what Mayor was telling, that if you all agree with the points of animals, then I'll arrange something separately to collect them separately. Then some of it can go for the processing and some for recycling. Mrs. Joshi, good idea, let's do that. Then Mrs. Joshi there said that yeah, it's a very good idea, we should do all these things. Mayor, let's save our Mother Earth from further harm. Thank you dear animals for teaching us a lesson so effectively. So Mayor was telling to the animals that we are very much thankful to you that you taught us a lesson very much effectively, and we have learned that we should save our environment, our city, and we should not harm animals. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil our homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics also, and I will very much thankful to you, and I will inform to that particular people also, those who go for the picnic and litter all the garbage and everything in the forest area. Some animals, thank you Mr. Mayor, thank you. Mayor, self-help is the best help, let's clear this up. Meaning, Glumpy, bad-tempered, bear, uncover, mystery, something that remains unexplained, fetch, go for and bring back, retune, a group of assistant, hinder, obstruct, tolerate, allow to exist, confess, admit to a crime, roost, a place where birds settle for rest, awareness, having knowledge for something. Summary. This lesson teaches us the awareness about the clean environment and how important it is to take care of our surroundings so that all of us, including animals and birds, can live happily and safely. Thank you. I hope you all have understood the chapter.